Hey everybody, it's Giselle. Good morning to you. I am just here. I had been thinking about for a few weeks to make like a little beading kit, just to share some of the beads that I have with some little girls, and I will be shipping these beads or sending them overseas, like to the Caribbean. So, and it's just going to be little kits, one kit that I'm trying to put together for sisters. I'm trying to put a little bit more so they could share, but I'm trying to cut down, not to put the cost up so high. So I was thinking of putting them in something like this, and I'm not even sure if they sell these anymore. I think they do at Dollarama. But again, I thought the cost to share, it's not, sorry, to ship this, it's not heavy, but just the dimensions of it might be a little bit more. So I just decided to put them in some little baggies. So I got this one so far, these ones, and this one, and I think there was one more. Yeah, and these ones. So these are, they're almost 3 years old and almost 5 years old, and so wasn't going to send a whole bunch, but I did want to send enough that they could share with friends and cousins and stuff like that. So I need to get a little bit more string for them. And then when I was looking at it, I was thinking, what can I package it in? And I was like, I should just do a cute little pocket letter kind of thing, and just so they have the design on the outside, and then put all the beads. They're probably not going to get the concept because, again, they're so young, but I thought it'd be the best way to package them because they're not too thick, and they would fit in the pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and actually create now the pockets, pick some paper, and put some more, and put these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 4 more things to fill, and there'll probably be some strings and maybe a little bit more beads again. I don't want to bulk it up too much because of keeping the cost down, because even shipping a letter, sometimes it gets very costly. So, not a letter, but just like a little package. So I want to send something fun for them to do during this lockdown. So this is a quick little package here. I'm going to go ahead quickly, find some paper, and do the pockets inserts for them. Something cute and fun. I might have some paper. Okay, see you in the next one. Okay, so this is the pad of paper that I'm going to look for some paper for the pocket letter. I've had this forever, and I thought maybe I'd use it up. And I liked it so much when it came to Dollarama that I bought 2 pads of paper. And I just thought, oh, that's pretty. So this one has been used the most. This one here. Then I have almost a full one there. So I'm just gonna go through it, and like I said, they're going to be 3 and going to be 5. So I just wanted something fun for them. I'm thinking about the letters, but let's see what I can do. I really just want to use up some of this paper, so I might just choose the letter ones. I would do it in their initials, but there isn't enough to do it. No, I might be able to if I find the paper in the other one, the same sheet. Yeah, this one's only one. Yeah, so let me try that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the pocket inserts. Okay, so this is the paper that I chose. I thought I would just stick with something cute and pink and bright. And I'm sure it won't be the first time I send something, a pocket letter to them or to another little girl. So, anyways, I'm trying to think of what to do for their brother, but he's 9 or 10, and I don't know. I don't have a lot of boys stuff here. So, okay, so yeah, this is the paper that I chose, and I'm gonna put it in the pocket. I'm just gonna find some stickers quickly. I'm not gonna think too much on this because I don't want to hold it up. I tend to hold things up because I'm thinking way too much. So I'm just gonna find some cute little stickers to put here, and then put it all together. Okay, everybody. So I am done. This is, again, it was very quick. It's for 2 little girls. And it's going to be sent to the Caribbean. And I thought about making a bracelet making kit or a necklace making thing with some beads that I had and just not using as much. I'm using them, but I thought, why not share and give to some little girls. So the first one I'm sending it to is overseas, to the Caribbean. Again, these little girls are turning 3, turning 5. They're sisters. So I was just thinking about packaging and how to send it. So instead of sending it in a plain envelope, I had them in little baggies, and when I looked at the baggies, I thought, yeah, they could fit in a pocket letter. Maybe that will be cute. So didn't want to bulk them up too much. Just added some stickers, some more yarn for them. I think this is more like elasticy. Some more yarn or embroidery thread, and some beads, just for them to have fun, something different during this time. I've already sent them packages. If you've seen my Easter fun kids activity pack, that was going to them. So now they're getting this as well. I'm just trying to think of a project for a boy that I can send their brother. So if anybody has any idea, please leave me a comment in the description box below. What can I send to this little boy? So yeah, so here it is, and I just got to put it in an envelope, and it will fit well in an envelope, not too bulky again, and I'm just gonna send it off. So just a quick project share. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.